Hi everyone, today we would like to share with you how the Chief Executive and the Board of Directors can discharge their safety responsibility. Why is it important? The Chief Executive plays a pivotal role in influencing the safety culture of their organizations and drive safety practices in the workplace. Let's look at the 4 principles. Principle 1. Stay mindful of the safety responsibility expected from the Chief Executive and integrate this in your business decision. Firstly, you must define safety. Everyone seems to know about safety, but you ask most of them, they will give you different answers. So, the Chief Executive must define the safety direction of the organization. Will safety be defined as a compliance issue with a focus on meeting regulations, or seeking to identify and control risks for organizations to manage safety, or to integrate safety into organizations' values and put a strong emphasis on continuous learning and improvement? No matter the decision, the most important thing to keep in mind is that all your employees must go home safely. Organizations may relate the safety policy and objective to all employees and ensure that everyone shares the same understanding. Who is responsible for safety in an organization? Engagement in safety is not solely the responsibility of the safety personnel. It involves the chief executives, managers, and all employees. Principle 2. Building a safety culture. Safety culture is important as it reflects the value, attitudes, belief, and behavior of an organization. It is a collective and proactive approach to identify and evaluate the hazards and implement effective safety control measures. How can we build this safety culture? Monitor the organization's safety performance to determine if it meets the safety objectives. Provide resources for safety by conducting risk assessment, eliminating hazards and risks where applicable. If cannot, we use substitution, entering controls, administrative controls, and personal protective equipment to minimize the risk. We should establish achievable project timelines, prioritizing progress while ensuring safety. We can consult safety professionals for guidance on effective workplace safety and health practices. We should provide safety equipment, tools, and implement safe work procedures. Safety training should be provided to all staff on safety matters. We should organize safety promotion programs and well-being initiatives and adopt safety technology and industrial best practices to detect and prevent accidents. Participate in scheduled safety meetings to stay informed about company safety concerns. Establish a direct reporting system for safety issues to ensure the chief executive is fully aware of the organization's safety challenges. We understand the chief executive is busy, but safety knowledge is a must. You can participate in safety seminars so that you are aware of the changes of legal requirements and technology in safety. You should conduct site walkabouts. Stay informed about the happenings within the organization, focusing not only on productivity but also on safety issues. If you have subcontractors and vendors, make sure that they have good safety track record and they must comply to safety rules and regulations. Principle 3. Ensure that there is a safety management system and review regularly. For a small organization, ensure that there is a robust risk management system by conducting risk assessment and implement safe work procedures. Large organizations should establish a comprehensive safety management system which align with the ISO 45001 standard. Remember, risk assessment requires updating when there is an accident or a near miss, there is new information of a hazard, before using a new equipment, before introducing a new work process. External factors such as heat stress, heavy rain, haze. When there are changes to the safety legislations, code of practices, and guidelines. Once revised, they should be communicated. Reward workers who show good safety performances. Discipline workers who repeatedly do not comply with safety rules. Principle 4. Empower workers to participate in safety actively. We should share information with the workers. This includes accident, hazards, risk, near misses, and safe work procedures. How can we share this information with the workers? This can be done through toolbox meeting, safety committee meeting, safety induction training, safety posters, email and messages. We should set up a proactive reporting system such as hotline or QR code for safety feedback. This should be anonymous. Effective follow-up actions should be taken to address safety issues. We should provide sufficient resources for workers to attend safety training. All workers must attend the relevant mandatory training. Workers, contractors, and vendors should be involved in the development and implementation of the safety programs. The one who does the work knows the job best. They can provide effective and practical suggestions. Based on these 4 principles, the Chief Executive and the Board of Directors can ensure all the safety measures are communicated and implemented. Let's do our part so that everyone can work safely. Thanks for watching. See you next time.